Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, cloth upholstery, side airbag system, telescopic steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.